ayoko makipag-sex sa kanya. Hindi po siya naliligo, ang baho-baho. Sino makikipag-ano sa'yo? Pag hinahalikan mo ako, ang bad breath mo, tinuturuan naman kita kung paano ka maligo, paano maglagay ng
all the lies that you want to lie.
Teka muna, hindi naligo eh, ano, nakapumada pa nga si sir, maayos naman yun.
Tell all the lies that
Pero
you want.
dumaan ka dyan, ano yung amoy mo?
Tell all the lies that you want to
Hindi
tell.
ako nagsisinungaling.
Tell all the lies that you want to tell, that you want to hide all those things, and that you...
Wala na nga ako tinatago. Sinabi ko na nga kay Sir Rafi yung binibintang mo sa akin eh.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Sir, I'm sorry to ask this, ano, I'm sorry. Para naman maging fair din tayo, then she might have a reason, or she must have a reason why she doesn't want to have sex with you. And she just said it. The reason why is because
Sorry.
you don't take a bath and you
No.
smell. And of course, that could be a turn off for any women.
No,
to have sex
this
with
is
a
not
man.
the truth that she is telling.
Do you take a bath every day?
Yes, sir.
How many times a day do you take a bath?
One.
One time, sometimes two times, because I'm always busy.
So naliligo
So
pala
because
siya.
I'm busy,
Pag
what
gising
I'm
ako
doing
sa
there,
umaga, hindi naman po siya agad naliligo pag makikipag-sex.
What I'm doing- what I'm doing in the house.
Hindi ka nagmumumog.
what I'm doing in the house.
Sandali. Natural man, pag-gising, pwede naman makipag-sex ang husband sa wife.
Kaso, sir,
Pag-gising,
iba
alam nga ba naman, sandali, maliligo muna ako.
Iba po kasi yung amoy ng bibig nila dahil puro spices po yung maanghang po yung kinakain po nila.
All the food
Kaya
that I'm-
yung singaw po ng
all the
katawan
foods-
nila matindi po
Yes,
talaga.
all the
Kaya
foods
ayoko
that
rin
I'm
po.
eating-
Yung
the ones
singaw sa
that-
katawan.
Opo.
All the foods that I'm eating is the ones that you are the one who is cooking.
How come?
We get here Indian foods.
Yes, di ba nag-send yung nanay mo ng mga pang
That was
ano mo?
recently only.
Pero niluluto mo. Sige nga pa, amoy mo
So-
kilikili mo ngayon.